This is my godfather's case, Kofi boat. I woke up in the morning and I'm just trending. FBI check Shatta Wale. FBI check Shatta Wale. FBI. And I was like, are these people like evil people or they are just dumb? Bro, you think say as a day here, you see this is my wristwatch by the way. You think say it be Kofi Brown? Do you know how many places I've been to in my life? Do you know how many rich men and billionaires I've met in my life? Do you know how many people have blessed me? From presidents to ministers to MPs to big businessmen. Do you know how many rich men I know in Africa? That you people don't have an idea. Do you know how many contacts I have? All these things. You don't know. But you sit down and you just want to imagine. Because if I come and sit here, I wear mask, you know, I wear my, promise shades, wear my jewelry. So this guy there, he looks like, you see, Ghana, it's about time you guys stop watching the people in kaftan and think that they are gentle. We are gentle in our hearts. I have chosen not to live the life you people are living, because most people in Ghana always want to portray like they are okay, but they are not okay. Me, I'm not okay to my fans. Like half of my fans will be okay. I want to see my thing into some industries in Ghana that I'll just go like, yeah. Then I'll just go like, yeah, my fans are really helping. Like they're also building. But if you are there and you have listened to radio and you hear Shatta Wale doesn't respect Shatta Wale, you see, yesterday or 3 days ago when I was doing my live, I spoke about something. I was like, I sat down and I was like, so if TV stations and radio stations would have people to come and sit there just to say ill things about Shatta Wale, you understand me? Like there's this guy that recently I saw that he's been bashing me all of a sudden. He just switched to, saying good things about me because no, I now understand Shatta Wale, and he has videos on his page on TikTok. And this guy, I forgot. I've been telling some friends about JDB or something, some guy, And so now when I watch, I go like, all of a sudden, you just switch just because there's this particular radio station in Ghana that don't like me and everything negative, they want to talk about it. Meanwhile, I've been telling them every time, please, I don't bring my song to your radio station. I don't even need your radio station in your... I just working hand in hand and we are promoting our stuff. Please, I don't want it. But people go there all in the name of, okay, this place is an anti-Shatta Wale station. This place, they insult Shatta Wale, so let me also go and insult Shatta Wale so that they'll know that I'm part of them. Bro, you don't get anything. If you come work for Shaxi, make I pay you maybe 3,000, 2,000, so that you'll be making money. But for you to go and gang up, me, people that gang up against me, all of them fail. Me don't know they gang up against me. Me don't know they plan around. But if you plan around me, God could deal with you. I don't go send any boy to come beat you or something. God could deal with you. God could deal with you. Because I don't understand why you just want to drive some energy. And when you are driving some energy, the guy probably GDB or something. Some guy.
Abusia entinu one don Shatta Wale and awutimu say odin koma all can sama kese a ono chese ono he is not a poor man because oka enkofo ni businessmen for washi omo a enye businessmen kitwa na ABB. I think say Tuesday or 3 days ago and FBI for ebedru Ghana how to move say US for investigation department omo hwe say bia fraudulent act ekoso international communities no related to US no and omaba be piemu ewo oh my God na otimu ze enkofo ibaye no omaba be arrest. It is alleged say omaba be che abrantie bia friend Kofi boat otimu se chairman sika de bi won ho papa no mo che se abrantie no. It is alleged say wa engaging itself into a fraudulent actor omo che se wa creative fake accounts bia wa di dupi US aban no any big companies ewo US wo. Na Kofi botu amanfo chese Shatta Wale and GodFather no and o hwe one door Shatta Wale said o si di ne nkomo no and said o si kan nsem na o chese Kofi botu no onye froster a big time businessman na woni akuku dam nya kesefo e na e business na video na Shatta Wale esu abra FBI for ebe peki Kofi boat na wa mebo a kire na hwe one don sema a wakan o cheze Kofi boat no onye robber onye froster na oye big time businessman na ono no ohunu se oye godfather ene nsema o mo kafa Kofi boat nyane nya no kre na yenko wa Shatta Wale timer FBI for ebe peke unipa na otia kweda take say TikTok live na chairman 18 so yenko video nimra.
Shatta Wale cries for his close friend Kofi Boat, who has been arrested by the FBI. Can we see the video?
Yes.
To my guy, but I know that you are there to make people know that Kofi Boat is not a scammer. Oh God, hi Kofi Boat, hi Kofi, hey. Hey, oh Joyce, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I feel bad, Charlie. Because of Kofi, I know if you sleep, Charlie, man. Joyce, I'm sorry. Like, I'm so sorry. Like, I do watch my siblings right now. Like, I do watch them. Like, I the picture Kofi Boat in kiddies right now. I know they fit. They call Kofi Boat scammer. Who tell you? It's just business where you go wrong. Kofi Boat, you go switch computer and stop the browse. What do you mean? But it's a world. That is where the world is. When you don't take care, you go do just one wrong business. You just go do one wrong business. That's why I'm careful. That's why I don't move with friends anymore. That's why I don't want to do.
Abuzuati chairman no. Unipa na 18 nsuo no. O se ya ne ja na ABB. Se ya che no na se one don unim se unipa no o godfather no se bio onye frauder it's just a matter of time the truth will be exposed se ya che Kofi Boat na Wale esu na wusu dia and obi tinche obega say and yes Shatta Wale esu na is true say guy no fraud but who claim say onye fraudster and you just give time some time the hear say Kofi Boat no once oye guy o sika ne dia definitely obepe lawyer. One lawyer, good one for the matter. Na wakwako tu charge no court. What you say because ya peke ne sa ne wan say ya che no ye de ne ko ye ni ko je no. Obenya lawyer, omo de ne be court, omo be busa ne nsem, omo de ne be gina adakam. Enti say onye ya ye de be jaro. Because say onye ya yeah, there's no way say US aban no de ne be ko say ya che no no. A period of justice and a union everywhere on the highway. And it is a Wale Usui say if indeed said your work no sanity, Nasa Kofi Boat no on where obia or engaging itself in any fraudulent act. Nisika no one a genuine source of income or no any business no no dinya nisika na. Ya no kojina quarter, the lawyer no even Crown Casabet to charge no plus the lawyer because only any empirical evidence be on the back what they are saying. And Shatta nyabo tretamuchuku as soon the emwa. It's just a matter of times. If indeed, godfather no, or engaging himself in any fraudulent act, just gives time some time. No better no. Abusuadu wasi ya subscribe na hit notification bell no yakro bibia. Stay safe.